will be cooking and take you guys step by step about how to cook this fantastic. Yo, what is up guys? Cooking University here, and today guys, if you are looking for healthy recipes, including this, well actually, it's not a recipe, it's a seasoning, including this homemade taco seasoning, then you're in the right place. And this is a healthy homemade taco seasoning. Honestly, you don't want those chemicals, I guess you could say, or those weird ingredients in taco seasoning, right? So why not just make it at home? So without further ado, let's get into the ingredients. Oh shoot. So obviously, if this is just a seasoning, then we just got seasoning mixed in together. First things first, you're gonna need some sea salt. Now, pink salt is healthier than actual sea salt, even if it's iodized salt. So we're just gonna use pink salt instead of regular salt. And you're gonna need 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Next up, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/4 of a teaspoon of onion powder, 1.5 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and last but not least, a 1/2 teaspoon of ground paprika. So, without further ado, let's get into the seasoning. So I'm going to be making this seasoning with the taco skillet recipe. I did make the taco skillet recipe about a month or 2 ago. Link in the description below if you want to check the video out. So there's only just one main step to this. All you really gotta do is just add the chili powder, cumin, salt, pepper, paprika. I interrupt this video to give a humongous shout out to Ibotta, the place where if you buy certain groceries from a certain grocery store, you get an extra $10 back on the groceries that you bought. I have saved a ton of money off so many ingredients of this recipe. Well, actually maybe not this one because it's just a little seasoning, you know what I'm saying? All you gotta do is just use my referral code when you sign up, the link in the description below, subtitle right here too. And once you submit your first receipt on Ibotta, you get an extra $10 back on groceries that you bought. But that is only if you use my referral code. And the best part about Ibotta is that it's completely free to sign up. And I would like to put a disclaimer on this video. Say that I also make $10. I was clenching my abs. I also make $10 when you sign up using my referral code. Link in the description below. Garlic powder, onion powder, and oregano in a small bowl. And as you can see, I didn't even measure them. And then what you do next is you literally just mix it around, and that's pretty much all you do. And while I'm mixing all the seasonings together, if you're interested in discovering more about getting cash back on groceries, then be sure to check out Ibotta at link in the description below. And voila, you got your homemade taco seasoning. I want to sniff this. I smell the cumin, that's the main thing I smell. And then once you put everything into the taco skillet, or whatever recipe you're making, make sure to put the taco seasoning into the taco skillet and just mix it around. Here's my review on the homemade taco seasoning. So, honestly, I did taste the difference between normal taco seasoning and the homemade one. I didn't really taste too much of the homemade taco seasoning in the taco skillet. Maybe I put too little of seasonings in there, or maybe I might have put a little too much. I don't really know. But I mean, it didn't taste bad though. It tasted very cheesy, because I put a lot of cheese in there. But all in all, it didn't taste too bad. Next time I make a seasoning, I might just try just the seasoning itself, because I think maybe that would probably be a little bit better. But it definitely smelled like cumin. I can guarantee you that. Oh, did see you guys there. Well guys, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so that way you don't miss any more videos helping you out cook the healthy, cheap, and easy way. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Yeah, these glasses are bad.